What if I told you that starting with absolutely $0 in 2026 is actually your biggest competitive advantage? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokens.fi. Today, we are breaking down the exact blueprint for building wealth from zero, specifically designed for the 2026 economic landscape. I'm going to show you how to transition from zero capital to a diversified $100K portfolio by leveraging new tech and smart systems. Between our deep dives into the TX ecosystem and the resources at coherencedaddy.com, we've analyzed exactly what it takes to scale in the modern era. Phase 1, the income engine. You can't invest what you don't have. The first step in building wealth from zero is creating a high-income skill. In 2026, this means mastering AI-integrated workflows or blockchain management. Don't just look for a job, look for a scalable skill that allows you to freelance or consult. Your goal here isn't luxury, it's seed capital. Every extra dollar earned is a soldier in your financial army. Phase 2, strategic accumulation and DeFi. Once you have your first $1,000, it's time to enter the world of DeFi. DeFi, or decentralized finance, allows you to put your money to work without a traditional bank acting as a gatekeeper. Start by allocating a percentage of your income into blue-chip assets like Bitcoin. Then, explore the TX ecosystem to find opportunities for yield farming and liquidity providing to accelerate your growth. Phase 3, the power of compounding and diversification. The jump from 10K to 100K isn't linear, it's exponential. This is where you move from saving to investing. Diversify your portfolio across stablecoins for safety and high-growth altcoins for the moonshots. Check out the guides on tokens.fi to see how to balance your risk-to-reward ratio effectively. Phase 4, the mindset of wealth. The hardest part of building wealth from zero isn't the math, it's the psychology. Avoid lifestyle creep. When your income increases, don't buy a faster car, buy more assets. Stay disciplined and keep your eyes on the $100K target. If you feel overwhelmed, visit coherencedaddy.com for a dose of mental clarity and motivation to keep you on track. Build a high-income skill to generate seed capital. Leverage DeFi and the TX ecosystem to accelerate growth. Stay disciplined and avoid lifestyle creep to hit that 100K mark. Building wealth from zero is a marathon, not a sprint, but in 2026, the tools are better than they've ever been. If you're ready to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if this blueprint gave you a clear path forward. Comment wealth below if you're committing to building your portfolio this year.